Many people who work in an office in front of a computer know well the torment of back pain. Some caring companies organize special areas so their employees can have some rest. But if there is no such place in your company, you have to think about your health on your own. Quick workout consisting of simple 1-minute exercises. Exercise number 1. Spine strengthening and stretching. Influences abs and back muscles. If performed correctly, you'll feel smooth and light stretching in your lower back. Gently put both knees on one side with your head in the opposite direction. Your shoulders should stay motionless, fixed, and pushed to the floor. Freeze in this position for 10 minutes, and repeat the same actions on the other side. Repeats 4 times. Let's see. From the starting position, stretch your right leg, and bend your left one. Tilt your bended knee outward and your head inward. Your shoulders should stay fixed. Repeats 20 times. Let's see. Gently, one at a time, tilt your knees to one side and then the other. At the same time, turn your head in the opposite direction. Repeats 10 tilts without pauses. Let's see. Exercise number 2. Thoracic spine strengthening. Influences abs and middle back muscles. If performed correctly, you'll feel smooth stretching in your lower back. From the starting position, breathe freely and deeply. Arch your back, and fix this position for 15 or 30 seconds. Another variant, from the starting position, bend your back toward the floor. Fix this position for 15 or 30 seconds. Repeats, 2 times for each exercise. Let's see. With your back arched, lift one knee to your chest, and try to touch your forehead. Then straighten this leg, keeping your position parallel to the floor. Return to the starting position. Repeats, 10 times at a slow pace. Let's see. Exercise number 3. Lumbar spine strengthening influences abdominal muscles. If your abs are weak, your stomach can bulge, and your spine can shift forward. If performed correctly, you'll feel light tension in your abdominal muscles. What to do? Push your pelvis to the floor, and take a breath. When you exhale, lift your rib cage up. Reps, 10 times at a slow pace. Let's see. From the starting position, pull one knee to the opposite elbow, the other elbow stays on the floor, then straighten your knee, but don't put it on the floor. At the same time, pull the other knee to the opposite elbow. This exercise resembles cycling. Repeats, 10 times at a slow pace. A healthy back and spine are very important for our body. Don't forget about these exercises. Or do you already have your own workout list? Share it with us. Let's see.